Unbox and set up the HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, 790, 6000, 7000, 7300, and 7600 printer series. Step 1. Remove the printer from the box. Open the box and then remove the setup guide. Remove the printer from the box and place it on a level surface where you intend to use it. Remove the box containing the ink bottles and power cord. Remove any foam caps and the bag surrounding the printer. Remove any tape from the outside of the printer. Remove the foam liner from the scanner. Lower the scanner lid. Now lift the ink access door and the scanner lid together by lifting the ink access door handle on the left side of the printer. Remove any internal cardboard or tape from the print head and ink tank area. Open the paper tray and remove the cardboard from this area. Then close the paper tray. Connect the power cord to the rear of the printer and then plug the other end of the power cord into an electrical outlet. Caution: do not connect the USB cable at this time. The connection to the computer is established during software installation. Turn on the printer. Caution: after turning on the printer, do not press the Wi-Fi button on the printer or the printer will no longer be in Wi-Fi setup mode and HP Smart will not be able to locate your printer. For HP SmartTank 790 and 7600 printers, follow the on-screen prompts to select your language and, if applicable, select your country or region. Step 2. Install the printer software. You can now install the HP Smart app. This app connects your printer to your mobile device or computer. The setup guide has the QR code for downloading HP Smart app to your mobile device or computer and information to contact HP support. Before downloading the app, it is advised that you update your computer or mobile device to the latest operating system. On a computer or mobile device, visit 123.hp.com to enter your printer model and download the HP Smart app. Before connecting to the printer, make sure Bluetooth is turned on for your computer, or make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled for your mobile device. HP Smart requires Bluetooth to complete printer setup. Open the app and follow the step-by-step instructions to connect the printer to a wireless network. Step 3. Fill the ink tanks. Be aware of the following when working with ink bottles. Keep the ink bottles beyond the reach of children. Open the ink bottle only when you are filling the ink tanks. Store the ink bottles upright in a cool, dry place. Lift the ink access door and then open the tank covers. Open the cap on the black ink tank. If your ink bottles have twist-off lids, twist to remove the lid. If your bottles have a flip-top lid, twist the lid to remove it. Remove the seal tab. Replace and tighten the lid on the bottle, and then flip open the lid. Match the black ink bottle with the black ink tank. Hold the bottle on the tank nozzle and align the tip of the bottle properly over the nozzle. Let the ink drain into the tank until the tank is full. If the bottle does not start draining, remove it and then reinsert it onto the tank. Do not squeeze the bottle. After the black ink tank is filled, set the bottle upright and then close the ink bottle lid. Close the black ink tank cap. Repeat the previous steps to fill the other ink tanks. Once the ink tanks have been filled, close the tank covers and then the ink access door. Wait 30 seconds for the printer to calibrate before moving forward with the next step. Step 4. Install the print heads. Lift the ink access door and then wait for the carriage to move to the center and stop. Press the blue button to open the print head cover. Remove and discard the orange guard. Handle the orange guard carefully to avoid ink stains. Remove the print heads from their packaging. Remove the orange cap and protective tape from both print heads. Caution: do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzle. Do not replace the protective tape on the contacts. Handling these parts can result in clogs, print head failure, and bad electrical connections. Insert the black and tricolor print heads into their associated slots. Close the print head cover. Close the ink access door. Step 5. Load paper. Open the input tray. Press and hold the button on one of the paper width guides. Slide the guides to the edges of the input tray. Load a stack of plain paper with the print side facing down into the input tray. Make sure the stack of paper is aligned with the appropriate paper size lines and does not exceed the stack height marking on the tray. Adjust the paper width guides until they touch the edges of the stack. Close the input tray. Pull out the output tray extender. To complete the printer setup, align the print head and scanner. This is a critical step to ensure full printer functionality. Step 6. Align the print heads. If your printer has a touchscreen control panel, follow the control panel prompts to print an alignment page and then follow the instructions on the page to scan it and align the print heads. If your printer does not have a touchscreen control panel, an A blinks on the control panel and an alignment page prints automatically. Follow the instructions on the page to scan it and align the print heads. You are now ready to start printing.